In today's video, we're going to learn about filter lights and what they do. The normal sequence for traffic lights is red, red and amber and green. Filter lights give specific direction, be it straight ahead, left or right, and lets the traffic go in that direction. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more information. Let's see the filter lights in action. Can you see the green arrow on the left saying straight ahead? So we know if we're going straight ahead, we can go. Now the arrow changes to right, so that means only those turning right can go. Everyone else needs to stop. And that's what that guy does. The reason for filter lights, it lets two different flows of traffic go at the same time. So straight ahead and straight ahead can go. Then the lights change and it lets those turning right and right go. This way it keeps both separate flows of traffic safe and hopefully stops any accidents. Sounds simple, doesn't it? Let's have a look at how not to do it. Okay, so let's put that to the test, shall we? Let's play a game of Can We Go? So in our first clip, we're going straight ahead. Now we can see a red light. Can we go? Well, do you see the green arrow on the left? It says straight ahead can go. So yes, we can go. Clip 2, again straight ahead. We can see a red light, but can we go? Again on the left, the filter arrow clearly says yes, we can go straight ahead. What about turning left here in clip 3? We're looking, can we go? Well, again, the answer is yes. The arrows say if you're turning left, it is safe and legal to go. Again, this is a car eye view of what that arrow looks like. And we can see we're fine to go. Clip 4, straight ahead. We've got a red light. Can we go straight ahead? Well, again, if we're looking at the green arrow, we know yes, we can go straight ahead at this point. In clip 5, again, we're going straight ahead. We're looking at the lights, we can see a red or a green light, but can we go straight ahead? The answer is no, that says right only. Clip 6, turning left. We're coming down to the lights, we can see a red light. The question is, can we turn left? keep an eye on the top left hand corner, and we can see, yes, that arrow says we can now go left. In clip 7, we're going straight ahead. Now, if we're going straight ahead, can we go? The answer is no. The light was on red, the green arrow said right turn only. In clip 8, again, if we're going straight ahead, can we go? Because we can see the lights changing. Well, if we look to the left, the arrow says straight ahead. Yes, we can. If we were going straight ahead, we could go. Now in clip 9, our final clip, we're turning left. As we look down the road, there's so many different traffic lights. How are we gonna know? Well, as usual, we come up to the lights and we just wait to see when they change what they tell us. Now, as the lights begin to change, we can see from all 3 traffic lights, they clearly say we can go left. So we hope you've enjoyed our video on filter lights and how to deal with them, and hopefully you feel more confident. Don't forget to like and subscribe on YouTube, find us on Facebook, Instagram, and of course TikTok. My name's been Chris, thanks for joining us, drive safe, we'll see you soon.